Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic for today is going to be where condition and order by. In SQL, these both are super important and let me take you through step by step in today's video. By the end of this video, you will be totally a champion in where and order by. So without wasting your time, let me take you forward quickly. So guys, see, some of the steps are very familiar. All of you know that, right? So first of all, I'll create a table in front of all of you and then I'll insert the data in that table and then we'll proceed towards the where condition and order by statement. So to guys make you understand, let me first tell you on the left hand side, you can see all these databases are there. So maybe I want to create this table in one of the database called Rajat. On the left hand side, you can see this. Let me quickly check. There should be no table with the same name. So let's say I name the table as employee 1. Then in step 2, this will create the whole table. In the table, the employee ID is an integer, which is a primary key also. And then name is a character. Department again is a character. And then decimal value is your salary because your salary can be in decimal values. On step 2, if you see, so I am just inserting the value like insert into this table. Now, again, I have to mention the complete table name with the database. Otherwise, this will not be able to find this table. Now, I'm giving the column names, employee ID, name, department, and salary. Now, if you see, this is the employee ID 1, 2, 3, then names, then department, and then salary. Okay. So this is a simple thing. Now, first, let me run this piece of code. So you can see on the log that the table is created, data is also inserted. Now, when I refresh this, right click, refresh. So you can see the table is here, employee 1. Now, first of all, I'll remove this code because I do have the required information with me. Now, obviously, the first step is always to filter the data when you are trying to select the data. So what you will write, select, and I want all the data. Select star from Rajat dot, it is showing all the tables. So I want the employee 1 table. Simple. Now give a enter. Again, I need to explain like what is a filter I want to apply here. Let's say for the filter, I am using the where condition. Now, what is the purpose of where condition? Where condition is always used to filter the criteria. Whenever you have a condition, which is a single condition, so you always should use where, because where is specialized to give any particular condition. Like I'm going to just show you quickly. Okay. So where, so we have so many variables in this table when I was defining. So you can click on columns. Now, if I want to apply a condition on, let's say, department, right? So what I'll do, I'll write, see, when I click on department, it's automatically coming. So just click on this. Now, there were so many departments. If you remember, so there was one department which was sales, right? I just select this. And why I'm giving quotes? Because it's a character value, and just give this semicolon. If I run this piece of code, it will show me only that data where the department is equal to sales. So you can see like John and Bob, both are from sales department. Okay. Now you can see that it's very, like I would say it's very, very, very easy. Okay. Now, if I want to use any other criteria also, so you can do that. Like if you want to apply a condition on maybe employee ID, name, department, or salary, anything. So I think this is pretty much understood, guys. Where condition and syntax also you got, like where, then column name, then that condition which you want to go ahead with, and then you'll get the result. Just run the code. Now, if I want you to show order by is basically to sort your data. In the same data, I am just selecting all the data. I remove the where condition. Now, if I put order by here, it's showing me an error because I will write all of this in capital letter. So that's how it correct the data. Now there was a column called salary and I want by default in ascending order. If I run this piece of code, so you can say that the salary is by default coming in ascending order. Now I want the highest salary on the top. So just write descending. So for descending, you will just write DESC. I click on run and you can see the salary has been shuffled. Okay. So this is again very easy. Now let's say I want to use a where condition with order by. So I write together where, what was our first condition? Department. Where department equal to sales. And order by salary descending. Now when I'll run this, so you can see only two values are there and the value of the salary is descending because the both salaries are same. Okay. On that note, I will take a leave from all of you. I hope this video makes sense completely to you. If you feel you have any doubt, make sure you do comment. Please hit like button if you like this video and please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in the next video. All the best.